is Forouz from CapoMazda. I had the pleasure of talking to you about this gorgeous Miata that we have here. It was one of our previous loaners, and that's why it has the original window sticker on it. And how much discount you're getting by this car being a previous loaner. And here is what it is. And let's take a look at the car. You can experience full open air with this gorgeous car. And let's check out the inside. There we go. Here it is. And it's waiting here for you. Looking forward to meeting you in person. Please give me a call if you have any questions, or you sell your car and want to come take this car on a spin on the weekend or Friday. Give me a call, 949-394-5603. This is Forouz from CapoMazda.